We have all seen the devastating impact that the COVID-19 pandemic has had globally, but locally, the fallout from this crisis has been felt deeply. Sadly, not all communities are receiving the PPE they need to protect themselves and their loved ones. Those in shelters, long-term care homes, indigenous communities, refugee centers, rural areas, and food banks have been the focus of our efforts. These high-risk communities have been left out of the spotlight during recent pushes for assistance, despite being critical sites of community spread. Project Northern Lights has stepped up to bridge that gap, both in the physical production of PPE and its coordinated distribution. We started out as a grassroots group of 3D printers and drivers in Toronto, but have since expanded our reach and are now coordinating with independent groups from across the nation, with hubs in Ottawa, Kingston, Montreal, Calgary, and Vancouver. As demand grew, we began to establish partnerships with nationwide maker groups, industry associations, and wholesale companies to speed up production and bring down costs. Now, as a federal nonprofit organization, we have coordinated the delivery of over 40,000 pieces of PPE to marginalized and multi-barrier populations across Canada. Through generous donations, we have raised almost $10,000. Working with Project for Awesome, we hope to raise the funds to reach even more vulnerable Canadian communities. You can help us right now by sharing this video and spreading the word so we can connect with these communities in need of PPE. Please help us to get the word out by sharing this video with anyone you can. If you support what Project Northern Lights is doing, please like this video and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Want to do more? Why not volunteer? Head over to projectnorthernlights.ca and sign up today. Still want to fight the battle against COVID-19? Help us continue this important work by donating through our website or GoFundMe today. 100% of your donations go towards supporting our most vulnerable populations through our nationwide supply chain and robust partner networks. The COVID-19 crisis is far from over, but with your help as a community, Project Northern Lights can serve and protect the most marginalized among us in this pandemic and beyond. Thanks for watching, and thank you for your support.